So weird.
I didn't think they ate
Birds. Jesus. What the hell?
Wow. Oh, he's eating a robin. Probably one of the baby robins.
They do that? I gotta look this up.
Yeah, I never saw it.
Blue jays are bastards, apparently.
I guess so.
I did not. They don't eat meat. They don't. But he's eating it. I thought they eat bird seeds and worms. Well, actually, yeah, I guess they would eat meat. But another bird?
Oh, that's so sad. I had a robin nest in the front dogwood tree, and then there's one under the deck. Looks like a young robin. Oh, I don't know. That's bad.
I've never seen that before.
No.
He's like eating the whole gosh darn thing. Oh, now he's done. After 40